2026, SQL remains the silent engine behind every data-driven decision.
To unlock real insights, analysts must master SQL, the language that controls business data.
Companies generate massive data sets daily, and SQL is the tool that helps analysts extract meaningful information. The first skill is selecting and filtering data. Analysts must quickly locate the exact records they need.
Next, joins. Most business questions span multiple tables, and joining them correctly reveals the full story.
Group by and aggregations turn raw data into insights spin, totals, averages, counts, and performance metrics. Subqueries and CTEs help analysts break down complex logic into clean, readable steps. Data cleaning with SQL is essential, fixing formats, removing duplicates, and transforming values efficiently.
SQL powers tools like Power BI and Excel, letting analysts automate dashboards and deliver insights faster.
In 2026 and beyond, SQL remains the heart of analytics. Master it, and you master the future.
Our New Year 2026 offer is now live at iTech Analytics Solutions with the biggest discounts we have ever provided. Our Career Accelerator program, earlier priced at $85,000, is now available for just $45,000 under the New Year offer.
Our Essentials program, earlier $65,000, is now available for $35,000 with training in Excel, SQL, Power BI, and GenAI.
Get a free Excel certification worth $10,000 and bonus content worth $50,000. Contact us and secure the New Year offer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow iTech Analytics Solutions for daily learning. Namaskara.